missing 2 buses. One due to my shits, the other due to not turning up, cancelled train, and an hour late bus. We are finally on the 17-hour trip to Udaipur. See you there. We've arrived for our first little break at the Shatri Shivat Hotel. That's our bus. But it's over there actually, he's just cleaning it. I think it's a 20-minute break. I asked him if it's 20 minutes and he just went. Whilst we're here, I think it's probably best to check out the public toilet facilities. I'm sure you're all dying to know what they're like. That's ladies. Normally you have to pay 5 rupees, but there's no warden here, so... Oh god, the stench. Looks pretty good to be fair, doesn't it? Oh. Yeah, so that was awful. Hi guys, it's 8 in the morning and we're 2 hours away from Udaipur. I've had a wonderful sleep. Everything stinks of piss. Okay, it's 10:20. We've made it to Udaipur. We are on our way to our hostel. After a slight mishap, we're on the right direction now.
You have change?
Hello. Oh. Oh. All good? Yeah, there we go. All right. कैसा है?
I'm okay, I'm okay.
What is this?
It's smoke.
Oh, hashish, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, trouble, huh?
Yes.
There you go, thank you, bad boy. Earlier. So to a lot of you who said that you want to see more food content, I'm going to show you Louis' meal. That's masala and that's some rice, and Louis is thoroughly looking forward to eating it. We have arrived at our hostel. Udaipur, Udaipur. And it's beautiful. Oh, slipped on some classics. Yeah, someone had a bit of a bender here last night. American Pride. Pretty stunning view. Yeah, this is more my speed. We'll sit down with a couple of bottles of water and a couple of cigarettes. Chat. We are on our way to a cafe and crossing this beautiful bridge. There's music playing over there. There's water over there. All by. Pretty incredible. So apparently, according to Louis, this is where they filmed James Bond in that lake palace over there. I don't know the significance of it, but in the James Bond film. Pretty crazy, eh? Alright guys, we are coming to the closing day of our first day in Udaipur with a great view. Oh, what's that? only a bloody tower. Anyway, cheers guys. See you at the top. Praying hard. There's no more counting dollars. We'll be counting stars. Said we'll be counting stars. 3 person around. You're fucking fat. Fuck with it. Touch me a car. Well, Louis gone downstairs, but I'm waiting for the lift. I haven't experienced the lift in India yet. We've just been drinking at a rooftop bar. Oh, there we go. And we're very tired, but powering through. Hello, fucking hell. There's people in the lift. So just hello, is there room? Little taller room, huh? Oh, it's just tight. 3 persons. I'm quite fat, huh?
Yeah.
Aapka naam kya?
My name is Ankit.
Kid. And yourself? Avinash. Lovely to meet you. Mera naam Joe. Mera Hindi thoda.
आपका हिंदी से बोल रहा हूँ.
I try to learn. Where are we going? We're going.
नीचे slow. इसके बाद वापस slow ऊपर.
Oh, okay. Bottom.
Okay.
Bottom floor. I'll think of this view. This bottom. 3.
Yeah. तो बड़ा नहीं है.
You going here?
3 पे आ गए.
ठीक है. एक पे दबा.
1.
हाँ ये one.
I'll come in. Oh, sorry, my friend. आप कहाँ से? Udaipur?
जो दूसरे भी जो.
Here.
हाँ यहाँ पर.
Sunda, Udaipur. मैं England.
England.
Very cold. अच्छा.
दो पे बंद नहीं है. एक पे और वापस दबा.
What's this? Is this rubbish? The smell, huh?
अच्छा. इसलिए.
Little taller.
Yeah.
Why does it stop?
Stop.
No.
One पे जाएगी अभी ये.
अच्छा. This is my first lift in India.
हाँ India first.
Yes.
This is no. आपने पे अंदर ही देखो.
Okay. Chalo.
Thank you.
फिर मिलेंगे.
आप फिर मिलेंगे ऊपर मिलते हैं.
Bye. Oh, they had a bin on them, and I felt the wetness on my thighs of the bin juice. Well, we're going up. Why am I going up? No, I don't want to go up. Ground. Oh, for fuck's sake. Stop. Security. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, now I've got I look like a creep staying in the lift waiting. Louis probably fucking back at the hostel at this point. This is ground floor? Why is it flashing? Hello.
Hi.
Are you going down? Ground?
Yes.
Me too. I pressed ground and then I came up. Oh yeah.
Where is your country?
England.
England.
आप कहाँ से?
मैं यहाँ इंडिया से. आपको हिंदी आती है?
India. मैं ये हिंदी थोड़ा
अरे क्या बात है, दिल खुश हो गया आपकी हिंदी सुन के.
My friends back home in England. आपका नाम क्या?
मेरा विशाल शर्मा.
मेरा विशाल
विशाल शर्मा.
विशाल शर्मा.
Yes sir.
मेरा नाम Joe.
John.
Joe. Yeah. Joseph.
Joseph.
Yes.
तो आप इंडिया में कब से?
First time.
इंडिया में.
India में
Time.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yes. Started in Kerala.
केरला.
And then work Bombay, Mumbai, up
तो
to Udaipur.
क्या बोलते हैं पूरी कंट्री राउंड.
Long time, 2 months.
Okay.
With yes, beautiful Sunda country. Is this us? 0?
Yes, ground floor.
Cello. Hello.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's lovely. Then you bye. plan to go on a gondola to some temple. I think this is the area. How do you get up in? Oh. It's over here.
Could be down there, I don't know.
Oh. Hello, my friend. Gondola?
Yeah, ticket window.
This one here? And you've we got our ticket. And now we give that to someone. And they give us the ticket to go on. One by. Yeah. Yeah, let's get an ice cream. Ice cream. Hello, my friend. How are you? That's downstairs. I give it. Here you go.
Really from England?
England.
Yeah.
आप कहाँ से?
Old city, Chandpur.
Jaipur.
Yeah.
Ah, Sonda, eh?
First time India.
Yes, studied in Kerala and work our way up. So went to Mumbai and
Which
here.
stay hotel in?
Yeah, hostel.
Hostel.
Yes.
Hostel.
Footprint hostel.
Good hostel.
Good hostel. बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा. So you speak Hindi, Indian?
Hindi, Tora. I learned for the trip, but still learning, obviously.
I'm tuk-tuk driver.
Ah, yeah. आपका नाम क्या?
Amjad Khan.
Amjad Khan. मेरा नाम Joe. Joe. Joseph.
This way down.
This down? Yeah. Okay, brilliant. Which one do you want?
I have one of these. Got you.
How much, sorry?
40 rupees.
Yes. And what do you want?
You want?
That looks nice. I'll get the same.
Jam. Okay.
Okay.
My favorite cricketer is Peterson.
Picture? Yeah, we can get a picture. Photo.
No, cricketer, my favorite. Peterson.
Who's
Peterson, cricketer.
cricket? I only know Ben Stokes. England.
England.
We lost the other day. England. India beat England, didn't they? Yeah, England not good at cricket anymore.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Huh? You guys? Yeah, it's very nice. Video. आपका नाम क्या?
Lalit Singh.
Lajit Singh. Lovely to meet you. Very firm shake. Majboot shake. Majboot. Lovely to meet you. Alright, we got our dry fruit rabbit eye. Is it nice? Okay.
Don't do that.
So you're going for a piss? You're going for a piss?
Yeah, just so I'm not remember. So scared.
Do we have to wait for our token?
Oh, we could have already been called. We're 87. He just made that up. He's just written that on there. He's just
No, it says 87. Look. 87?
प्राइवेट आपके चार हैं यू फ्रॉम कंट्री
England. Cricket. Ben Stokes, that's the only player I know. We're not very good. India beat England, didn't they? Dankjewel, bye.
Well, get that out of the way.
Selfie.
I want a selfie.
What, with me?
Here they come.
Yeah, right. top, sort of, I think. Was that a ladder? Is that the ladder we were meant to get? Oh, that seems precarious. I don't have many facts about Udaipur. It's in Rajasthan. Saw a massive camel earlier, like bigger than normal. Titan of a hammock, titan of a camel. Goes on and on and on. I don't know if this is all Udaipur or neighbouring towns. But that's the palace in the sea, palace in the lake over there. I know that. Yeah, it's quite traditionally Indian here from what I can gather in terms of its architecture and buildings. Not that heavily influenced by Europe. Home to a lot of the Maharajas. Can I go over here now? Cheers, mate.